Alright, so what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rerocktactical, and I'm back today with another video, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm back. I do this video before the end of the year. It's my end of the year Glock collection. Only reason why, because 2024 was the last year I'm buying a Glock. I'm done buying Glocks. I'm getting a new handguns next year. Getting the new things. I want to try new things. I'm done with Glock. I done bought every caliber Glock. Shot a lot of Glocks. I'm just fed up with Glocks. It's not a bad thing. It's just like we keep doing the same thing over and over. You get tired of it. So basically, I'm just not even tired of them. Just bored with them. But this gonna be my end of the year Glock collection video. So first, we're gonna start off with this gun right here. I'm gonna tell the background airy gun. It is clear. The mag back in. Boom. So the first Glock we starting off with is the custom Glock 43X. I didn't get it customized like this. It came custom like this. I love this gun, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Most people think he got a brick glitter gun. This gun got me so many views. I made probably the most money I made off YouTube came from this gun right here. It's crazy, but this is the gun. Glock 43X. Now y'all know the 43X is a great gun just because it's so small with a big handle. And I actually shoot this gun a lot. Shoot this gun often. I have a lot of good times with this gun at the range. You know, if I ever bring women to the range, she's shooting this gun. Mama, granny, anybody, you know, like they're gonna be shooting this. But yeah, this gun got me a lot of views. Just because of how the internet works. You know, everybody always want to say something bad, so why not troll them? Glock 43X custom. I want to flag myself. Even the mag. But one thing I can say, probably had this gun for like a year, 2 years. But the little glitter job done held up nice. Like, I don't treat this gun any differently. Just throw it in the safe. Throw it in the safe. Grab it out of the safe. Throw it on top of guns. Like, you can see the frame. You can see the frame is getting some, you know, some stuff. But other than that, the slide is still intact. It's Gen 5. Feels amazing. It's a Gen 5, but it doesn't have the ambi slide release, slide lock. But yeah, it's Gen 5. So this is the Glock 43X. You know, call this the golden gun of the year. Favorite gun of the year. Made the most money with this gun this year. So make sure it's clear. Gun clear. Now, this is the Glock 23 Gen 5. I call it the Glock 23X. Like I said, I had got bored with the Glock, so I started doing stuff. I started making some changes. I put the 40 slide on the 19 bottom, the 19X bottom. 10 out of 10. This how they should have made the 40 with the 23 slide. Amazing. The reason I did that is because the 40, don't get me wrong, the Glock 23 frame is perfect. It's perfect. It's just a bit small. I got huge hands. It's a tad bit small. Shooting 40 and this little extra grip actually makes up for it. It handles it amazingly. Like I couldn't even understand. But it's a big difference. So you got a 23X, you got a Glock 23 Gen 5 and a Glock 19X. Try it, take it to the range, shoot it. Tell me how you feel. In my eyes, it's one of the best guns though. It's like number 2 out of my whole Glock collection. 19X. The +5. Got the digital flashlight. Who is dead? I carry this gun a lot. So, gotta charge the flashlight though. Didn't know that, thanks for reminding me. But yeah, the gun is amazing. Like, it just feels good in your hand. Knowing it's a 40 and you got that much, you know, that much room to operate with, so. Boom. The Glock 23X. I ain't even got to say too much about it because I just did a video on it, but gun is clear. Before you say anything, it's probably the gun I carry the most out of every gun. my Glock 22 Gen 4. Why? It's big, bro. I'm big. My hands are big. This gun, if there is a Glock that fits me personally, if it's a Glock that fits me personally perfectly, it would be a Glock 22. Now, I told you guys I'm not buying any new Glocks in 2025. But what I will be doing, I will be turning in my Gen 4 and getting a Gen 5 just because this is my everyday carry. So I want the newest, So I will be getting that Glock 22 Gen 5. Trade this in for it. But yeah, this is my favorite gun by far. I get the best groupers with the gun. I feel the most comfortable with this gun. Even though it's a 40, people knock on 40. We don't knock on 40s over here. You guys just look at it. Glock 22 Gen 4. I've shot probably the most rounds through this gun. This gun has had the most A whoopings. I've been through it all with this gun. This was the first gun when I finally got legal. Or I'm lying. I had a Glock 19 Gen 5. But it just 19 wasn't enough for me. It was just, I overpowered it. It was just, yeah, it was nice, but that 40 is something I like. So, this was the first gun, though. When I first got into YouTube, I grabbed my first YouTube gun after becoming legal. This is my first legal gun. Glock 22 Gen 4. Now, I had a chance to get the Gen 4 back to the Gen 5 when I bought this. But your baby was broke. You hear me? Your baby was broke. Yeah, hey, fuck, it is what it was. Your baby was broke, so we had to go grab this. It was like $300-400. But turned out to be nice. Never jammed on me until I did some dumb stuff. I had field stripped the gun, cleaned it. But the spring from here, I never put it in front. I put it on wrong, so when I was shooting it, I did a short on it. Every time I pull the trigger, this would go up. And it would get caught. And it will cause it to not jam, but it will cause it to slide the lock. So that's not really a jam, but yeah, call it what you want. Stack Glock 22 Gen 4. My baby. Yeah. Yeah, my favorite. Everywhere I go, she goes. A big RoboCop ass gun. Like, if I run out of bullets, when you feel me, you get to that point, I run out of bullets, I'm throwing this bitch at you. Got big, that motherfucker gonna night. You feel me, son? Gun is clear. I know I just said I didn't like Glock 19s, but this is what this is, okay? This is a Glock 23 frame with a 19X slide. Now, if you guys see this with the 30-round mag, and you're going to be like, wow. Won't do it in this video. Not trying to get monetized. All standard mags, everything legal. YouTube monetized this video. Just, like when I said I got bored, I did something, and it turned out nice. You know why? Black frame, right? These are not black. They're like a gray, silverish, but they look black, right? So look like I have black night sights on there. These are night sights. The black barrel. The FDE, and I got an FDE +5 extension I just haven't put on yet. But this is another one of the guns I carry a lot. Glock 19 on the 23 frame, Glock 19X. So this is really a Glock 19. It's just a Glock 19. A basic Glock 19 with a 19X slide with the flashlight. I've been carrying this one recently, so flashlight is charged. Got the strobe mode too. You won't get it confused. We'll blind your ass. But nah, story of this gun. When I first put this gun together, the 23 on the 19X frame had me so amazed. I didn't really get to do too much with this gun. I really just put it together, recorded my short, went in the safe. When I finally took this to go shoot, it shoots. I don't know why, bro. I don't know if it's just the 23 frame or what, but this shoots like 10 times better. Won't lie. Shoots better, but it really might just be a mind thing. Like I could be playing myself in my mind, making myself think it shoot better when honestly it shoots the damn same. But this is the Glock G-Man Gen 5, dude. Nasty. Now, there's another one of them boys that feel so comfortable in. Because, like I say, the Glock 23 frame is not that bad, but you just see how my hand just, like, totally eliminates it. So, yeah. That's that. It's that Glock 19 motherfucker. Ooh, they got 19 motherfucker. Yeah. I'm gonna shoot these all too. This is another Glock 19 Gen 5. Now this is a stock Glock. Most of you think I sent this out to get it custom. This came from Glock. Okay. What you guys are looking at is the 80s Day Edition Glock 19 Generation 5. Just look at the details. Look at the details. Now this is like, I want to say like not rubber, but like it feels damn good, bro. Like sometimes it feels like rubber, but then again not. But I want to say it's the little tape that you get off Amazon, the grip tape. I want to say that's all it is. But it's done so fucking nice, bro. Like, look at the detail all in the grip. Like, just look at the details in that mother. So this is probably the most comfortablest gun I've shot. Probably the most flattest gun I've shot. Not that much recoil. And I'm going to put a ported barrel in here and a compensator. The red dot on here took it off. I got another red dot coming. A better red dot. Good thing that motherfucker empty. You hear me? Look. That right there is why you clear guns before you do videos. So, it's the Glock 1980s day, man. And boy, I tell you. This motherfucker nasty. Prettiest gun in my collection for sure. It's out of these two. As far as looks. Females probably gonna say this. Males probably gonna say this. Some males probably gonna say neither. Because they make you think they're ditty. Well, you're a man, bro. You a man. Like, can't nothing make you ditty unless you ditty. Simple. But yeah, Glock 19 Gen 5, just a standard Glock. I want to show off my little Glocks for the end of the year. I'm going to do an AR pistol / AR / AK rifle collection next. That will probably be dropping at the beginning of next year because I do plan. Well, I already have 2 new AR-15 rifles built. Just ain't going to bring them out yet. Say the content for next year. But that's that Glock 19 Gen 5 2025 Glock collection. This is Rerocktactical 2024 end of the year Glock collection. I don't have a lot of Glocks. I'm only missing one Glock, my Glock 2010 mil. Got it sent off about a month ago. Getting some work done to it. That's going to be something else that's going on for the next year. But, thumbnail. Alright, bet. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Happy New Year. Let's bring prosperity. More subscribers, more money, more views, just more to everyone, okay? Leave all those people in the past. Last year, we moving on to next year. We on the bigger and better things. Don't let them haters stop y'all. Don't let them channel hackers stop y'all. The page hackers, Instagram scammers. Don't let none of them stop y'all, bro. Just keep going. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Rerocktactical.